What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? Welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. All right, in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 stocks that I'm buying for my dividends only portfolio. Been wanting to do this for a while, and we started up a new account just for dividend only stocks. And these are, I guess you're going to say, a little high risk, high reward dividends. So we're going to go over these 3 stocks in today's video. As you see on the screen here, the first one we're going to be taking a look at is ticker symbol ORC. The first thing I like is that it does pay a high dividend of 17.7%. And you can see the annual dividend is 54 cents. And you can see this here pays a monthly dividend, which is nice. So that way we're going to be getting a little bit of cash coming into the account every month, which is nice. Now I just started the dividends account, so it's going to take a few months to get this rolling. I plan on throwing about $100 or so in this every month and letting this accumulate up. I'll just show you a quick picture here. My Fidelity account where I started this at, the 3 stocks you're going to see covered in today's video. So we have $100 in the portfolio, and we're going to be buying up each month as we can. And we may add new ones to this as well to diversify the dividends in the portfolio. If for some reason any of these stocks take off like crazy and go up, we will probably cash them out and capture some gains. But if they just kind of hang around where they're at, we'll let those dividends accrue up. So what I wanted to do then here is, as you can see, monthly dividend, 4 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 6 cents. So these are going to add up, guys. I mean, 54 cents dividend per year. And if we go take a look at the stock itself, it's trading around $3.07, Orchard Capital. And you can see down here, it is a specialty finance company investing in residential mortgage-backed securities on leveraged basis. Income generated distribution to our shareholders based on primary difference between the yield on our mortgage assets and the cost of our borrowing. So we operate to qualify to be taxed as a real estate investment trust, a REIT, for federal income tax purposes, and generally will not be subject to U.S. federal income tax to the extent we currently distribute of all our REIT taxable income. So that is pretty much what this one is. So I like that it's a mortgage, residential mortgage-backed security. And, you know, we get the monthly dividends, which is nice. We're getting 17% return on our money, which is nice. And the stock is $3.07. So I did pick up this. What is my average cost on this? Average cost is $3.11. So we're down 4 cents a share. I got just 10 shares. Like I said, small little. This is the account I wanted to do to build up with my typical maybe viewer base that don't have a lot of money, and we're just going to start doing these dividends only accounts. They're $100 a month, guys. That's all I'm going to be putting into it. If I get a little extra, maybe I'll throw some more into it. But I wanted to do this journey with you, and we're going to keep up with this maybe every month to get an update on the dividends only account. So maybe I'll actually put this in its own category, the dividends only, and we'll have it in its own folder for YouTube, so that way you can keep up with it. All right. So the next stock you see in here is going to be SLVO. So here it is, SLVO. This currently is showing a dividend yield of 13.28%, pays an annual dividend of around 73 cents, and this pays a monthly dividend as well. So I like these stocks that are monthly dividends because that's what we're trying to do, get that monthly dividend coming in. And as these months go by and as the years go by, we're going to see this little portfolio really start to take off with that compound interest coming in. So here you can see, going to be 13 cents on that month right there. And then 6 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 8 cents, 5 cents. So, and, you know, as you see, guys, these are going to add up. These are going to add up very nicely. Now, I wanted to go here and get you a little bit of details of what really the SLVO is. Here it is. You can see the chart. $5.33. It's the silver shares covered calls, and it's a little tricky on what it is. My average cost on this is $5.31, and it's $5.33. So let me go read you a little bit about exactly what this one is. It says the SLVO offers a returns on covered call strategy, compromising long shares of physical silver and short 1-month call options with a strike price of 106% of SLV. The listed name SLVO is Credit Suisse X-Link Silver Shares Covered Call ETNs due April 21st, 2023. So this is a very interesting concept that it is basing it upon silver and the commodity. It's commodities focused. So As we know right now, commodities are going crazy. Gold and silver is going to be going crazy here with the inflation and stuff. So this is a nice stock to have as a little bit of something different in the portfolio as your traditional dividend stocks. This one is using a little different method, which I like that. And I'm going to be really excited to show you the next one we have here coming up. So the next one here, you can see that SLVO, I have it at $5.31. And like I said, paying 13.82%. So we're going to get 73 cents a year on that. And that's going to add up, guys. I mean, it don't sound like a lot right now, but 13%, 14% is going to add up. So the next stock on the list is going to be ticker symbol USOI. You got to be very careful because if you get it mixed up, you'll get a different stock. So ticker symbol USOI. Let's go take a look at it here. USOI has a crazy dividend right here, and let me get it pulled up here. USOI. Check that dividend out, guys, as I get this pulled up here. All right, so this one has 23.47% dividend yield. Let's go. That is crazy. So if we go here and take a look at the current share price, $5.72, you're going to get roughly $1.33 back per year on every single share that you have. And as you see, this one pays a monthly dividend as well. As you can see here, we got 19 cents, 11 cents, 17 cents, 14 cents, 6 cents, 14 cents. So this one pays pretty good overall. It really does. Here you can see the chart on it. Look at the 1 year. This one's kind of been just going up, slowly going up. It goes up, down, and you know, as these months where it goes down is where I would add a few extra shares on the downside to this, because this one here is for oil, and this one here says for USOI. USOI offers returns on covered calls. Strategy of a front month oil futures ETF. The listed name for USOI is Credit Suisse AG Swiss X-Links Crude Oil Shares Covered Call ETN. And this one here is commodities focused as well. Index tracked as a CS NASDAQ WTI crude oil flows 106 PR. So very interesting here. We got one that covers silver, we got one that covers oil, and we got one that covers the housing market. So we got a nice diverse portfolio, in my opinion here. I think I covered, yes. So there it is, man. Checked out the dividend history. Now, I did unfortunately miss the ex-dividend date for this current month. So I am going to miss the 19 cents dividend because I just purchased these the other day. But I will be able to get the next dividend that comes out, and that's okay because, like I said, this is long-term, guys. This is stuff that I want to keep building this out over the next 20 years towards retirement. So I'm okay with missing the first month. So I'm just going to slowly just keep buying these in here and just throw $100 a month into it. You see the portfolio now is at $100.07. So it's going to be pretty easy to keep track. I'll probably make up a spreadsheet and do a running total each month as I accrue dividends. And we'll see whether the stocks perform, underperform, and, you know, go from there. Like I said, this is mainly just going to be for dividends. And we can change up stocks. So I want you all to leave a comment down below. What stocks would you recommend to add to a $100 a month dividends only portfolio? Because that's looking to put about $1,200 a year into this portfolio. So I don't want to buy like a real expensive stock that I'm going to get a couple cents on it. I'd rather buy something here that's a couple bucks and get a high return on that. So we're hoping to grow this portfolio. We're going to see how it goes. Like I said, leave a comment down below what stocks you recommend for your dividends and how to build up a small dividends only portfolio. If you appreciate this video, please smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace.